Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions. Specify exact number of matches. You can specify the lower and upper number of patterns with quantity specifiers using curly brackets. Sometimes you only want a specific number of matches. To specify a certain number of patterns, just have that one number between the curly braces or brackets. For example, to match only the word HAH with the letter A three times, your regex should be HA and inside the curly braces 3H. So in this case, we can see how this regular expression is written, and when A4, A3 and A100 are passed inside the test method applied on this regular expression, then we get false in case of A4 and false in case of A100 but true in case of A3, since it's only has 3A, means it should be exact match. So task for this challenge: change the regex regex to match the word timber only when it has four letter M's. So something like this: T I M, it should be 4, and B E R. Let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.